Hey guys, here's an update on the air handler. The plumbing is finally down. So what we have came out the side here with our 3/8 and our quarter. Come down over here, clamped, all insulated. Boom, boom. Down to here with the special clamp for the insulation. Clamped here over. Sight glass, Sporlan catch-all filter dryer. I have to get a clamp that comes out a little further because the one I have doesn't reach. Come down and then we're here because our compressor is going to sit right here. This is where we're going to be. This is the condensate line. Got to insulate that trap. Comes over, clamped here, and yeah. So that's just a quick little update. Next one you'll see, we'll have our compressor in place. Everything will be hooked up and we'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching. Mike out.